Hey guys, today we're making an easy wall sconce with matching flower pot. First I cut my dowels between 4 to 6 inches. I use my sharpener for one edge. Then I sand it down with sanding paper just to get it nice and smooth. The other end I use my knife to cut it to a sharp point. I then cut my foam in half and glue it with Gorilla Glue and my hot glue. So using the sharp edges of the dowels, I go around the perimeter of the foam, making sure that they were even on both sides. I then followed that pattern all the way around and adjust if I needed to, because we're not using any glue and it's very easy to pull it out and readjust it. And here it is after I got done with both sides. I then went in with my Gorilla Glue and hot glue after I make sure that everything is where I want them to be, and this is how it looks after it's dried. So I'm now making my flower pot, which was supposed to be the matching sconce, but I changed my mind halfway and I figured I didn't need to. So I gave them one coat of gray spray paint, and then I use my acrylic silver paint to go over it, give it that nice shine. So I have a binder sheet here that I'm gonna use to diffuse my light. I just played with the shape until I got it right, and then I use my hot glue. I measured and cut this foam for my wall base. I use poster board to cover it. I measured and used my strip of bling wrap along the center, also around my circle of foam. It looked naked to me, so I added this embellishment along the edges of the bling wrap. I covered up the sides that will be showing when it's hanging on the wall. I also went around the edges where my bling wrap will be going. Here I'm gluing poster board for my wall base. Then I attach bling wrap and the rest of my embellishment. To attach my base, I'll be using hot glue along with my Gorilla Glue. I tried to line it up as evenly as I could because I'll be using that base along with my diffuser to hold my light bulbs. It's very strong. My light fits perfectly between that groove without gluing. Remember when I said I changed my mind from making two scones? Yes, here's what I did. So I'm just attaching rhinestones to cover up the holes, and it looks perfectly fine. I'll also be attaching my diffuser. Well, I'm using it as a flower pot, you'd say, to hide the stems of my flowers. I'll be placing it with my hot glue, and then I'll be cutting my flowers to size, and I'll be sticking those in. As a temporary hold, I'll be using Velcro until I get to the stores. Here's the final result. It's so nice. I love this. It's so elegant, and it's budget friendly, and it's easy to make. If you like what I've done here, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. I'll greatly appreciate it. Also, please subscribe to my channel so you can see more next week. Thanks for taking the time out to watch this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Bye.